Don't practice till you get it right. Practice till you can't get it wrong. Now this quote is by an unknown person, but it conveys the qualities that sports instill in people. Numerous studies have shown that competitive sports positively impact minors' physical, social, and intellectual health. The most obvious sign of a minor who does sports is their physique. So we will begin with physical development. Sports help develop motor skills. Donna Merkel from the Journal of Sports Medicine says that in addition to promoting movement, youth sports provide a venue for learning, practicing, and developing gross motor skills. Daniel Good says that young athletes learn both fundamental motor skills, like running, jumping, and hopping, and sport-specific skills, how to put a golf ball or shoot a jump shot in basketball, that allow them to stay active. Sports also help people get stronger, because most of the time coaches make their competitors, their students, to lift weights and run to get their endurance up so they can be stronger than the other team. So you have to be strong, or at least to get strong to compete in sports. And then it also helps with health. You gotta be healthy to play sports. And sports, you don't have to be healthy when you start sports, because sports will round you out. They will improve your health from the very beginning. And Merkel says, successful acquisition of a motor skill at a young age improves the likelihood of future participation in that activity in adulthood. So once you start exercising and playing sports, you'll probably want to keep exercising. And it's because you joined that sport, you started exercising, and you'll just keep going. And now you need to be physical to be healthy, but you also need to have good character to go farther in life. And discipline. Sports definitely show you discipline. Good said, to nurture his or her gift, the talented teen must have discipline as well as talent. So you need to be disciplined to have talent. You need to be disciplined to keep being talented. Because without discipline, talent is just nothing. And Brown says, it has long been thought that the many facets of playing sport, the discipline of training, learning teamwork, following the leadership of coaches and captains, learning to lose, provide lifelong skills for athletes. Sports don't just make you win. They also teach you how to lose, how to cope with it, because we all know that life isn't just happy and positive. They also show you how to deal with the negatives in life. Now, sports also help with peer relationships. You're going to have friends and teammates, and sports will help you learn how to talk with them, how to communicate, and it just really helps you in the social department. And teammates stick together, and you'll just get lifelong friends with sports. And it'll also teach you leadership. Brown says that many studies focus on the effects of sport on the 5 C's: competence, confidence, connections, character, and caring, which are considered critical components of positive youth development. Sports instill these 5 C's into each player that comes along. Now, having character is great, but you also need to have intelligence to succeed in life. To play sports, you have to have good grades, good attendance, and so whenever you play sports, you need to keep your grades up. So this will influence the players and the students to keep their grades up, do their homework, and keep going to school, because if you miss school, you miss practice, and you'll also miss out on the work that you need to do at school. Now, along with school and grades and all that, it will also help with cognitive development. And Mosby's definition of cognitive development is the developmental process by which an infant becomes an intelligent person, acquiring knowledge with growth and improving his or her ability to think, learn, reason, and abstract. Sports help you to strategy. A lot of sports are just about strategy, and they help with this cognitive development. You have to learn to listen to the coach, but also listen to what your instinct is telling you. You can't just be a static player. You have to keep playing and keeping on your toes no matter what the sport is. Now, if you put together all of these aspects, the fitness, the character, and the intelligence, you have both the qualities that make up a good person and the qualities that sports instills in the players. And thank you.